Hey guys, it is Nancy Ann. Welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. For today's unboxing is one that has intimidated me, but a couple of you asked for it, so I decided to unbox it anyway. I will explain why upon the unboxing, so let's get into it. As I stated on the intro, FabFitFun is one a couple of you have requested, but I choked on ordering because when I went to the website, quite frankly, it confused and intimidated me a little bit, but I finally decided to bite the bullet and give it a shot. Oh, I need to say, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nancy Ann. I do all kinds of unboxings from clothing to lifestyle. I'll do food, I'll do jewelry, I do it all. So if you like watching all different types of unboxings, this might just be a place you want to subscribe and hang out at. And everybody else, if you could do me a quick favor, this helps the video so much. Give it the like everyone asked. It helps other people find videos like this, scooting me forward in the all-important and very confusing algorithm. Also comments down below, love those. And if you want notification of upcoming videos, of course, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Okay, now that we had that housekeeping out of the way, I want to explain a little bit to you about the box before we get into it. And there's a lot to unpack here, both literally and figuratively. So I'm just going to go ahead and share these things with you, and if it takes a little bit, I apologize. This is a learning experience for me on FabFitFun too, and the reason why this box is more confusing and was intimidating to me is because I think so far of all of the subscription boxes I have unboxed, this is the most customizable. They have so many different options, and I want to try and explain those to you so that you know kind of what's going on going forward with the unboxing. All right, so this box is going to include a selection of full-sized products across beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, home, and tech, and it's delivered seasonally. There's over $300 in value. You can subscribe annually for $199 a year or seasonally for $54.99 a box, which is what I did here. And members get to choose 3 to 5 products in your seasonal box, or you can choose the Surprise Me option. So with that, I think they had 4 different options, 4 different places where I could choose. It was a selection of 4 items, and I chose one of those on 2 of them. And it did that 4 times, and I believe on the other 2 I chose Surprise Me. I can only remember one of the items I chose, so I'm going to be surprised on a lot in this box. Let's see. So if you have seasonal access, which means that you signed up for the yearly subscription, you can add add-ons. So you can just add extra things on for an additional cost to your box. Also, from November 10th to 15th, you can add sale items to your winter box, and that goes up until midnight on November 15th. So I had the option as a new subscriber to add sale items on this, and I was looking through them, and somehow I clicked off the site, and when I came back, it's like I lost my opportunity. So be careful with that one if you want to do that, because it looked like they had some really great prices on some really great products. Then you also can customize your box. Like I said, you can pick up 4 of your winter box items, and I think this is the winter box, if I remember correctly. And then you can also get refills. So see how customizable and how they try to keep you up on your favorite products. So you pick the products you want also until November 15th at 11:59, and they replenish them each season for you. So then I have a referral link for you, and with that you will get a free straightener brush, which they say is a $210 value, although I'll be honest, I think a lot of times they overinflate the value of some of these things. But when you purchase the seasonal subscription, so you have to pay the $199 and get it for all 4 seasons. And then I would get a $15 FabFitFun promotional credit, so I can purchase something with a credit. So there's all of that going on, but it looks like a fun box. We'll find out when we get into it. After all, fun is in the name. First of all, I love the box. It's just so cool and colorful and looks like so much fun. And they do spoilers on their website for a lot of the items. Also, I think if you order the winter box right now, you also get an eyeshadow quad. Just go check it out. So then Here's the inside of the box, and they say that it's made out of 100% recycled craft materials. And, ooh, wow, this is packed full of stuff. So here's what the inside of our box looks like. Oh, fun. This is going to be fun. So we have a little pamphlet. I need the glasses here. Oh, I did want to tell you, I have a fuzzy thing on my chest. My husband thinks that this little rabbit foot would help with some popping and crackling noises. So no, that's not a fashion or accessory choice. This is an attempt to give you guys better sound. Although I have to tell you, I feel really funny having it here. Okay. So this is for Bright Sellers. It's a $60 gift card. Then we've got the FabFitFun magazine, which I've heard about. This is The Joy of Discovery. So I'll take a look in there. I love reading magazines, some exercise stuff. Then they're talking about how to apply blush. Oh, this looks like really some interesting and useful information. Wow, they've got recipes. This is pretty impressive, actually. And then they've got kind of little advertisements on things they probably offer on their website. So that's neat. I actually will read that. I love magazines. All right, and so then once I take the paper out, this is what we're looking at here. This is what the box looks like. Let's start right here. This is the Epare milk frother. Oh, it's a milk froth. Interesting. Okay. So I can actually use this. It's one of those that has the little whiskey thing on the end, and you stick it down in your drink and it froths it up for you. I drink a lot of protein shakes, and I also throw batteries around apparently, but it comes with the batteries, which is cool. I drink a lot of protein shakes, and this kind of thing actually works really good for blending protein powder. I don't make lattes, but I can use this for my protein shakes. We have a blender for it right now, but this may actually work better because that one tends to, it's just a little thing. It kicks the protein powder and the milk up out of the cup. So I think that I can use this. I can't remember if I chose this one or not. Oh, that was a while ago, and I've slept since then. We have the Sleep Deep 5 HTP. I think this was my other thing I chose. So this is, because I have problems with sleep. The Sugar Bear Vegan Vitamin Care Sleep Deep 5 HTP Fruit Pectin Gummies, and take 2 a day for sleep. Yep, so sleep support, and it's also cruelty-free. Okay, there we go. I know my ring light's given a little bit of issue, but that's what the front of this product looks like. I have some trouble with sleep, and I'm in sleep therapy right now, so that might come in handy, and I think that was the second item that I actually chose for myself. We have an exfoliating body polish. Oh gosh, this looks good. This is the kind of thing I love in the shower. Revitalizing body exfoliator to smooth and refresh. It's by Espa Natural Beauty Intercom. There's that. Oh, winter flowery embroidery kit. Huh, interesting. I do not embroider at all, but I could learn. Alrighty, finally got that open. What is this going to be? Oh, winter flower embroidery kit. And there is the design. And it's by Craft Crush. And it comes complete with a hoop, all of your threads, all that good stuff. I don't know if needles are in there or not. Let's see. Let's see if needles are in there. Because not everybody embroiders, and if you're going to have a kit for somebody who's just getting started, wouldn't you need... Yep, there's needles. They're right there in the front. Duh. You were probably looking at them going, Nancy, we saw the needles. So that's kind of neat. This would make a really great gift for somebody I know who embroiders. Because I don't think I have time to learn right now. This box, by the way, has a lot of great stuff in it. It's really full. $54.99. I think it was a great price on this. We have the Soar Desk Pad. Ooh, Tech Elevated. This is a black and white polka dot. This will not match with the decor in my room, so I'm probably going to gift this. I'm just going to take it out. I'm not going to unwrap it from this because I think I'm going to gift it. There we go. But it's a pretty print, the black with the white kind of crooked little dots. So that's a nice one, but I'm going to save this to gift. You never know, it might show up in a giveaway. Christmas is coming though, so as much as I spend on these boxes, I'm not having a problem with giving the contents of them away for Christmas presents. Alrighty. You know, the item oh, there it is. This is the item that I thought I had, I remembered requesting. It's a 3-piece baking, silicone baking set by Chic and Tonic. That's a cute name. And let's see. We're here to lift your spirits, to inspire you to celebrate good days, bad days, birthdays, wedding days, and everything in between. I have to get another little tape piece off here. But I do a lot of baking. Mentioned before, I do sourdough. I love making desserts, which really isn't the best thing for my waistline, but I know I will use this. So I picked it out because I thought it would be so handy. In the very middle, oh, really pretty little spatula. That kind of speckled, confetti-looking blue. And then it looks like we probably have a coordinate. Oh, there's another. Oh, another one. So we got a bigger spatula and a smaller spatula. That's neat. I can never have too many rubber scrapers, can you? And then we've got the mat in here. So the silicone baking mat, and I'm assuming this will go on a baking tray. Let's see if there's anything else about this on the back. Baking mat fits most standard size cookie sheets, can be cut to fit. Okay, very cool. You just wash thoroughly before use. It's dishwasher safe. That's awesome. I will use that. I'm already seeing the value, and I dropped something down there. It's just a little silicone packet, but I'm already seeing the value in this, and I think I haven't even got into the last item, so that's awesome. What do we have here? Gentle Fawn. Oh, this is pretty. Is this a shawl or is this a blanket? I wish they would tell me. I think it's a shawl, and it's so pretty. This is ridiculously soft. I'll show you the pattern first. It's this dusty pink color with that little bit of striping, and there's actually a bit of additional pattern that right here, what is that? There's just an additional light, subtle pattern woven in. It's got the fringe on the ends. Let me see if I can show you. Wow, this is really lightweight. Oh, it's a poncho. It's not a, it's a poncho. Look, this would be awesome. Okay, well, I think hang on, we're going to get somewhere with this. Okay, there are 2 armholes on each side, and I think you just throw it around you, thusly. This is really lightweight and really soft and really cozy, and this, for me, would be really good in front of the television in the evenings with my pajamas, because sometimes my soft fuzzy robe is a little bit too heavy. This is beautiful, very nice. Would also make a nice gift for someone. So we'll see where this winds up. But I'm going to stand up. I'm going to be out of frame, but give you an idea. And I'm 5'9". So this is some size. Very loosey-goosey, but still absolutely gorgeous. So they say it's over $300 value in this. What do you think? Is there $300 value? I don't know, but I do know it's more than the $54.99 that I paid for it. So we've got this beautiful and very soft and cozy lightweight shawl. We've got the baking set. We've got the winter flower embroidery set. We have the Soar desk pad that doesn't match anything, and somebody else is getting that. We have the milk frother that I'm going to use for protein powder. We have the exfoliating body polish that I can definitely use. And we have some fabulous pills to help me sleep. So that's awesome. This is really good. It's very customizable. I like FabFitFun. Thank you to those of you who encouraged me to try this box. Oh, and we have a little magazine too that I actually will enjoy reading. I really appreciate you guys when you give me ideas on different boxes. I don't know if I'm going to be purchasing as many coming up because I'm getting enough collaboration offers that we could wind up with a whole lot of videos here. I mean, if you guys like that, that's great. But I might pop one in every once in a while. And I'm hoping that some of these will start being more in collaboration than me paying for them. We'll see how it goes moving forward. But I don't think there's going to be quite as many boxes after November coming up of this type. I'd still like to unbox them, but I have enough collaborations coming in that we can have some fun seeing what is sent to me from other companies. All right, that is it for FabFitFun. In the month of November, it's my birthday month, and so I'm doing all sorts of fun boxes this month. I hope you will stick around for the long haul, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann for today's unboxing. Boy, this is really awkwardly large. Okay, I gotta figure out how to... there we go. Okay, take two.